Okay, what is that background? So weird.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a snow squall warning for East Central Summit County, Northwestern Clear Creek County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:52 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Berthoud Pass to near Silverthorne, or along a line extending from 45 miles west of Denver to 66 miles east of Glenwood Springs, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, extremely poor visibility and
so weird.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect hazardous road conditions. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 205 and 232. Locations impacted include Silverthorne, Georgetown, Dillon, Empire, Silver Plume, Bakerville, Berthoud Pass, Berthoud Falls, and Keystone. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. There is no safe place on a highway when a snow squall hits. Visibility and traction are immediately lost in whiteout conditions, making it difficult or impossible to slow down and avoid stop vehicles. Delay travel or safely exit the highway before the snow squall arrives. Wet roadways will quickly freeze. Black ice will cause roads, bridges, and overpasses to become slick and dangerous.
Oh my god, how long is this?
Slow